What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today we are doing a Boxycharm video. It is the end of the road, guys. I officially decided that I am canceling my subscription. I mean, it's already canceled by the time you're gonna see this. But I officially canceled my Boxycharm. I know, crazy, right? I had Boxycharm for 4 years. I think 2018 was when I got it. And I actually love Boxycharm. It's not that I don't like it. It's just I have so much makeup, y'all. Like, I've been decluttering like crazy. Like, I'm probably going to do another declutter video just because I'm really trying to declutter a lot of shit that I have. I don't wear makeup, obviously, all that much anymore. I still love makeup so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. But it's just like, I don't need as much anymore because I work from home. So I don't need to wear it only when I go out or go to the store. Like, those are the only things. So I decided I'm canceling my subscription. I know I love doing my videos. I know I've been like slacking a little bit, but it does make me a little bit sad because I have had it for a while now. So I have both. What are we in? April and March's box. I gotta double check which one's which, but I have both of them. I didn't get to do a video for March, but I figured I can jump on camera, do the last unboxing with you guys. The longest intro ever. I look a mess, okay? I didn't feel like combing my hair. My blue is officially starting to fade out. It's like week 3, like going into week 3 of having it. So I mean, it did last for a little bit, and I want to do another color probably next month. So not May, June probably. Really random. I know I'm just ranting. Let me just shut up and like move right along. Alright, so like I said, I don't know which one is which. Let me see if I can find the card. This theme is Game Changer. Like I said, one of them is March, one of them is April. So sorry. I just, like I said, I was so busy I didn't get to do March's. Women's History Month. Which month was Women's History Month? Whichever that one is, that's what this one is. So sorry, Tiny. Let me go to the first item. So this is Everything is Better in Pink. Ooh, eye mask, collagen boosting eye mask. I'm guessing like the little jelly things underneath. Eye mask under eye. Yes, these are the eye masks that you put, like the little ones that go like that. I've been using, I don't know what brand that is. We got it in Boxycharm, but I've been loving it. It just feels like it hydrates underneath my skin so much. And my under eye is super expensive, super sensitive. Even eye creams I can't use because it starts burning underneath my eye. So the ones that I've been using that are just kind of like the eye mask, they've actually been doing really well. They don't burn, they don't anything. So I really like those, and I'm really excited to be able to try these. The brand is Grace and Stella. And then this retails for $24. Oh, there's 12 pairs. Pretty good, actually. Next is this Serum Institute, and then it says transport. Oh, 50 treatment pads. Okay, let me see what I could look this up. So these gently exfoliate and treat your skin, taking it to a whole new level. Transport powdered by MDT5. It's supposed to help with improving skin tone, texture, and clarity. So basically like the little cotton thingies, I'm guessing they're like cotton things or something like that, to exfoliate your skin. This is $65, which is a lot. I've never heard of this brand. It says it's new to Boxy, but just in general, I've never heard of it. So we'll see how that goes. I've been getting so much skincare stuff. I mean, I love skincare stuff, but at the same time, like, trying to hurry up and go through it before it expires is kind of like a race in itself. Next is this Aromatherapy De-Stress. Ooh, I like this. De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. Ooh. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. Ooh, I'm excited about it. Sorry, the light. You already know how it is. And it's so white, so of course you can't see it. I'm really excited to try this. It is for $40. That's a lot. Glad I got it in Boxycharm, but I'm excited to try this. Oh, I wonder if my grandma will like this. I know, you know, old Athr be kicking in, so she might like that. Then we have the Ciate Glass Glow Skin Primer. So this is Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Looks like that. I have heard of Ciate before. Usually I stay away from anything that's like dewy, but I'm trying to like dabble into more. I don't think I like the full matte anymore. Like, I still like it to look put together, which, I mean, it's not that your skin doesn't look put together when you're dewy, but like, I don't know, like, I don't like where it looks super matte, where you look dry. And then also, you know, I am getting older and I do notice like my wrinkles now, and so I'm down to try like dewy stuff too. If it gets too dewy, of course I'll just stop using it, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try it. This is for $32, which Ciate is more high-end, so that makes sense. And then we got two more items. Next we have Athr Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara. So let's see how the packaging looks. Ooh, so cute. Just a mascara. Ooh, I like the wand. Looks promising. This retails for $28. That's a lot. Ooh, the Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara. For out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. I will be the judge of that because $28 is a lot for mascara. I hope that works good. Lately, I've been using the Pure Fully Charged Mascara, and it's okay. Like, it's nothing to brag about in my opinion. It gets the job done, I guess. And then this item, last item in the box, I'm really excited for. This was one of the choices that we had, and I really hope the shade fits me, because works for me, because when I tried doing the online survey thing, like, that's what they said, but I was kind of weary because, you know, your girl's like light, but like I'm still yellowy, so I feel like sometimes it's hard to find a shade for me. But this is, let me tell you what it is. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Stays all day and night. So pretty. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I did get 5 warm, or 5W. Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh. Sorry if you hear my little Chico in the background. He's so dramatic when you don't pay attention to him. Here is the packaging. So luxurious. I know she expensive. $44. So I've been wanting to try this foundation for a long time too. So when we were going to get it in the box, I was super excited. I really want to see if this shade works. Even if it's a little too dark, I can at least keep it for my summer shade. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I know on camera it looks like super light, but in person, my lights are just so light. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, it definitely is pretty dark. I hate that you can't tell really, but just to compare to, actually it looks like it'll match my neck. Mirror. Okay, I guess they were right because I was too scared that it was going to be too dark. Of course, the real test will be when I'm outside. Ooh, but that coverage already, look at that. I'll be honest, I'm not going to put like my full face on. I'll probably do like this side that you're going to see more. So I am really excited for this foundation. I am glad that it matches. Let me see. I'm glad it matches. Of course it'll look better once I like put it on my whole face, but everything in this box was pretty good. I mean, I love the foundation. So happy to have gotten this. This muscle gel stuff looks pretty promising. The mascara I definitely want to test out. This Dewy primer I definitely want to try out. These eye masks, definitely looking forward to that. And then, oh, did I tell you how much that shot? Yeah, I did tell you how much that was. And then these little treatment pad thingamabobs look promising too. So like I said, I liked everything in this box. I thought it was a good box. Now that it's like coming to mind, I want to say this was the April box. So my bad for doing it in reverse. But I will put the total amount of what everything equaled out to be for this month. Once again, Boxycharm doing good. I'm sad that I'm going to be done. But your girl has a lot of makeup. And I need to not buy that much makeup anymore and have so much makeup. I literally have shit from Boxycharm that I haven't used at all. And it's just piling up. So let me get into this box. So this theme is Boxy Spring Revival. So that is the theme for this month. First thing I'm gonna grab in the box is this. So this is my beauty brand and BYME. Oh, it's a black liquid eyeliner. Love that. Can never go wrong with trying new eyeliners. Ooh. So here's the packaging. I hope this looks a little bit better. I think I'm gonna start just using one light instead of both lights because that'd be too much sometimes. Ooh. Looks promising. Ooh, black. I like it. It looks a little bit shiny, but we'll see if it dries down a little bit more matte. But she's good. I like her. This is for $20. About right for an eyeliner. Next we have is this. This is Herbivore. Ooh, Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. Ooh. Smooth appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with truly natural ingredients, gentle enough for most sensitive skin types. Ooh, let's see what she looks like. This brand we've definitely gotten before. Ooh, look. Ooh, that looks so cute and fancy. I like the purple. It's a pretty color. But it's just a little dropper. I'm excited. Ooh, she looked thick too. I'm excited to try this. This is for $54. That is a lot, ma'am. But that's why Boxycharm becoming clutch. So that looks good. Next one, Cupid Cheek Duo. Ooh, so Natasha Denona, you already know her. Bougie brand. Ooh. So it looks like this. I'm guessing this is a highlighter and a blush. This definitely does look cream. Does it say in here? Cream blush. Yep, it's a cream blush and highlighter. Those look super pretty. I love this packaging. Just so cute. But that looks like a pretty color. You know what? I really want to do a video of trying cream products because I'll be honest, I've never tried cream products before, and I have a couple of them too that I want to try. So I think I want to do a video of that. And then summertime and springtime, everybody just looks so dewy and like fresh with their cream products. So I need to like step it up and do that. But here is this, and this is for $42, which y'all already know Tasha Denona is expensive. Next item is this hydrating lip balm by Endoto Organics. Looks like it's just a lip balm. So it looks like this. I love this color. Let's see if she hydrated. It's not coming out and I'm kind of scared to like make a mess, but here is this product and this is for $25. Pretty expensive, but hopefully like I'll be able to use it. Next one is this Mitchell and Peach body oil. So expertly blended and inspired by the countryside of the Foxbury Farm Estate, this nourishing body oil is delicately scented with a green floral fragrance, possessing both cut leaf freshness and intriguing depth. Smell like grass, like, you know, when you cut your grass. Oh, that looks cute. That's what that reminded me of. That. I don't know, it smells something like greeny. It's like, it does smell like leaves. See how that goes. This is for $68. That's expensive. Item in the box is this bad boy right here. This is the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. I don't know if this is a moisturizer. I'm guessing water gel is a moisturizer. Yep. So it hydrates with this oil-free gel moisturizer. Ooh, I am excited to try this. You know me, I love trying new moisturizers, and it's so crazy because I would never, ever, ever use a moisturizer. Like, what, 2-3 years ago? Nope. Like, as much as I love makeup, I would never, ever, ever use moisturizer just because, like, I thought because I'm oily, like, I don't need it, but your girl loves them now. Especially, I feel like I get kind of, like, the little dry patches sometimes, so I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I know she's expensive. Murad is always expensive. Yep, $46 for this. Your girl will try this out and let you guys know if it's worth it. That was everything for this box. Once again, it was, like, geared for skincare. We got this Murad, we got this like body oil, this serum, the lip balm, the liner. Oh, that was makeup liner, and then we got the Natasha Denona. Oh my god, I can't talk. So I think it was a pretty good box, pretty decent box. I really like this. I'm excited to try this, and I'm actually really excited to try this because that does look like a pretty color. And I really want to try cream products, so I would definitely give you the full amount of what everything amounted to be for this box. Once again, Boxycharm be killing it with these good products. That concludes everything for this video. Yeah, I am officially saying goodbye for Boxycharm. This was my last unboxing. Not forever, maybe, we'll see, but for now, it is my last Boxycharm unboxing. I want to thank you guys for always watching not only all my videos, but my Boxycharm videos. I know sometimes can run long, or I just like going to rants about stuff, but I truly appreciate you guys always watching my videos. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate it. You guys are truly the best. I'm trying to like get myself together and do more videos, but your girl is busy. And I know I always say that, but I'm like legit busy this time. I'm not just like being lazy. But I have a lot of things going on, and it's really good things. So I will try to do more videos. Like I said, I want to do a declutter video. I really want to do a spring look. I haven't done like a sit down of a makeup tutorial in like forever. So I just want to sit down and play with makeup. Probably this weekend. I will film before I leave and like do a cute makeup look. But yeah, that's about it for the rest of this video. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And also don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG. Catch me on the TikTok as well. It is Jams2535. And I think that's it. I think that is it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!